hi everybody. I'm Cheryl Hamilton from Create with Cheryl, and I'm really excited today to show you an explosion card, a really simple one. And I've made a Valentine using Most Adored specialty designer series paper that you can get for free with a $50 order through Sale-a-Bration right now. And look what happens when you open it. It's very cool. Isn't that neat? It's actually pretty simple to make, and I love the colors and the gold foil, and especially this fold. It's really fun. So stay tuned and I'll show you how to make this. So to make this pretty card, I am starting with this beautiful set of cards and envelopes. It's called gold foiled flowered cards and envelopes. And you might have overlooked this, but look at these gorgeous envelopes. Aren't they so pretty? It's a very vanilla, and they have just gold foil images on them that are beautiful. So I wanted to see what I could do with this. And I'm gonna just start with this as my card. I've cut 2 pieces of designer series paper from Most Adorned, and the back side is all this beautiful gold shiny paper, and then this is Flirty Flamingo. I'll just show you a couple more of these. They're so pretty. Here's some of the gold ones, and then you turn it over and there's the Flirty Flamingo and Real Red. And sorry, it's all just a mess on my desk, but it's like this. Okay, so I'm going to glue these to the inside of the card just to get them out of the way before I do the explosion card part. So that's the background of my inside. I'm going to set it aside. Now I've cut a piece of basic white cardstock, 6 inches by 6 inches, and I'm going to score it at 3 inches. I just want to fold it in half, but it's easier if you score it. And then turn it, score it at 3 inches again. I think you can see my score lines. And let's just fold it up. Fold it in half. Before I crease it, I still like to look at it and make sure it seems like it's right down the middle. And then I'm going to do it this way. Okay, so it's all creased. And then I'm doing just one time, I'm going to do it diagonally. Try to get it as perfect as I can. And just crease it. So then you can see it's like this, and you can fold these in. Okay, got that? Put the parts with the diagonal fold in, and let's just crease it really well. That's really the only tricky part, so it's not bad. I've cut out 2 hearts with this heart die from Hooray for Surprises, which is a real fun bundle. And I'm gonna, on one of them, I'm gonna stamp Happy Valentine's Day. This came from Be My Valentine, the little bee one. And I'm using Flirty Flamingo. Okay, and then the other one I want to just write a little teeny message on. So I'm going to just put heart, which I can't find. It's on my desk someplace, but I'll use these 3 hearts because I can't find the other one. It's cute. Where did that come from? That came from the same one, Be My Valentine. Got these 2. And while I've got this ink out, I'm using Sending You Lots of Love and Hugs. This is from Heartfelt Hexagon, and this also bundles with a nice punch. But I like this set. It has sentiments I'll use a lot. So I'm just doing it on a scratch paper. Let me think. Sometimes I like to put the punch in there first to see how it's going to line up. Okay, I don't want it to pop in my ink pad, so I'll close it. Just slide it in so that you're able to see everything. Get it as straight as you can, and then with both hands, just punch it out. Let me glue these in first. Try to get them straight. I'm kind of looking at the top and bottom here to make them straight. I could add a little rhinestone if I want. Where should I put it? I don't know. That's good. And now I'm ready for the outside. I mean, for the outside. Isn't that pretty? So fold it up. You might need to crease it as much as you can, but look how it's going to look with this, these envelopes. Really like those. Okay, what am I doing? I'm going to color just a couple of the roses and then pop this up. I'm going to pop my sentiment up with some dimensionals. And I just want some of this color to be showing. It's really pretty. There you go. And I think it just needs a little bit of bling, not much. So I'm getting out my rhinestone basic jewels again. One there. One there. Isn't that a neat card? I hope you guys give this a try. There's the opening. And with the envelope. So yeah, thanks so much for watching today. I hope you guys are inspired, and please subscribe to my channel and so you don't miss any more of these videos. Have a great day. Aloha.